you're dreaming of owning a home, right? And you've probably heard about this thing called salary sacrifice mortgages. It sounds like a dream come true. Pay off your home loan faster, save on tax, and maybe even retire early. But can you actually do it with Commbank? That's the burning question, isn't it? Let's break it down. Salary sacrifice is essentially diverting a portion of your pre-tax income directly towards your mortgage. It's like giving your future self a massive financial hug. The idea is simple. Less taxable income means more money in your pocket, or rather, straight into your mortgage. But here's the kicker, not all banks play ball. Some are totally cool with it, while others, well, not so much. So, where does Commbank stand? First things first, let's talk about the potential perks of salary sacrificing your mortgage. It's like turbocharging your home loan. By reducing your taxable income, you're effectively lowering the amount of tax you pay. This extra cash then goes straight towards smashing down that mortgage balance. It's like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. Imagine paying off your home years earlier. Less interest paid over the life of the loan. More money for holidays, a fancy car, or even that early retirement you've been dreaming of. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you start doing a happy dance, let's talk about the potential downsides. While salary sacrificing can be a financial game changer, it's not without its drawbacks. For starters, you'll have less disposable income in your paycheck. This means fewer spontaneous shopping sprees and less cash for those everyday expenses. Another thing to consider is that your employer might be subject to fringe benefits tax, FBT, on the amount you sacrifice. This can eat into some of the savings you were hoping for. So, it's essential to weigh up the pros and cons carefully. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, Commbank and salary sacrifice mortgages. The short answer is, Commbank doesn't offer a specific salary sacrifice mortgage product. However, that doesn't mean it's completely off the table. Commbank does offer a range of home loan options with features that can help you pay off your mortgage faster. For example, offset accounts allow you to link your savings account to your mortgage, effectively reducing your interest bill. While not technically salary sacrifice, it can have a similar effect. So, while you can't directly salary sacrifice your mortgage with Commbank, there are still ways to turbocharge your repayments. It's all about finding the right strategy for your financial situation. But wait, there's more. The world of finance is constantly changing, and new products and features are popping up all the time. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on what Commbank and other lenders are offering. You never know, they might introduce a salary sacrifice mortgage option in the future. So, should you salary sacrifice your mortgage with Commbank? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances. Weigh up the pros and cons, do your research, and talk to a financial advisor if you need help. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to home loans. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is finding a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.